Hey guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I post free courses you can study and still get certificates. Today's free course is on Java programming, complete beginner to advanced class. This course already have enrolled over 100,000 students. The course is originally $200. Yeah, that's right. $200, and you can get it for free if you enroll within the next 2 days. Now let's go through the preview of what the course is about. Alright guys, you heard it now. So enroll now before it expires. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and click on the notification button. So we will see you in my next video. Thanks.